Listen up, do you have a Blink security system, but your cameras need a little bit more rotation and movement? Go out, grab one of these, and you're not going to be disappointed. I am excited to get this installed on all my existing cameras right now to give me a little bit more movement on the camera itself. So let's open up the box, show you what's inside, and get them installed. So now let's go over what is inside the box. You're going to have 6 versatile mounts for your camera, and then you're going to have 2 sync modular adapters, which then will go over your plug and make sure that the modular adapter connects neatly to an actual plug, which then will slip flush onto your wall. Now the mount itself, all you have to do, grab your camera, place it inside the mount, and then click it in until you hear a snap. Now, when you need to undo it, all you have to do, push down on the button on the side and then take the ring out, and now you could remove it. Very simple, very easy to do. Now, the reason why I like this is because once you loosen this up, now you're able to pretty much mount it anywhere. You can mount it underneath the eave, you can mount it on a wall, you can mount it on a post. If it is outside, you are now even more waterproof. You do have a little visor that's on your camera. Now all you have to do is twist off the mount itself, and then it comes with 3 anchors as well as 3 screws to then put that onto the wall. So first you're going to find out where you're going to put it up on the wall. Once you find it, you're going to mark it out. Then you're going to either just use the screws if you're going into plywood, or if you are going to be going into stucco, mark it out, drill it, and then put some anchor points in so that way this mount will stay put. So let's get this installed on the side of the house and show you how simple it is. So now I'm going to figure out where I would like to install this mount. Nice thing about this mount is that I could put it either onto the soffit, like you can see right here. I can put it on the stucco, and I could move it in any direction that I need to. Now, I have a flag on the left side over on the corner, so therefore I'm not going to put the camera on the corner of the property, because every time you get that flag flipping in front of the camera, it's going to go off and detect motion. You're not going to want to do that. So make sure wherever there is maybe a bush, a flag, anything that could potentially just keep putting motion on the camera, you're not going to want that in the shot, because you're going to wear out the battery a lot quicker than you need to. So what I'm going to do is, I know I'm safe right in this general area, and I'm going to install it directly onto my soffit. I'm going to grab my screws like so. And just like that, that's how simple it is to install this mount. Go out, grab some today. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.